All right, guys. So, we got a lot of good conversations going on about business, about, how we should present ourselves. And one thing I wanted to bring up is that in business, a lot of people don't think this way, but this is something that has helped me in my business is to understand that business is a relationship, right? When you are dealing with your clients, your customers, whoever, that's a relationship, all right? And in a relationship, what do we have to do sometimes? We have to compromise, right? It's not always about us. And that's, I call that selfishness because we can be selfish in our business. I don't need this. I don't need that. I'm doing just fine with what I have. Because I used to be the same way, right? But then I have to understand it's not always about me because I'm not dialing my own phone number. I'm not using my own services, right? And when you look at it from that angle, you will start to become more open-minded and you will start to do things differently. So I'm gonna use, for example, I know we've been talking about the wraps and things like that. And again, me not thinking about me thinking about my clients. When I pull up in their neighborhoods, when I pull up in their driveways, I want to be a good representation for them, not just me, right? And I've gotten this so much, okay? I've heard the stories, all right? And I remember about what I think I've been doing the UV curing for about 2 years, and I remember Austin and his dad reached out to me and they were like, Courtney, with your business model, you would do so amazing with the UV cure. And you know what, guys? Immediately I start thinking about me. Oh, I'm doing just fine with what I have. I don't need that. People can wait. People don't care about this. I already start judging my clients' needs based off what I was thinking, right? They don't need that, all right? But they kept pushing. They just kept, Courtney, just give it a try, give it a try. So I finally gave in. And let me tell you guys something. You watch my videos. You watch my videos. 95% of my jobs are UV cure. Why? Because my clients care about convenience and they don't mind paying for it. See, sometimes when you think about the other side, the other person, okay, sometimes when you be willing to compromise, it can also help you become more profitable. All right. And look how many other guys have followed my lead with the UV cure. My buddy up there in New York, Kendall, killing it. Okay, so many guys killing it. And just for example, what I do in my business, I market 1 day refinishing, screen and recoats. And I remember when I started putting myself out there, a lot of the sanding guys were like, they were, attacking me, not physically, but, on social media. Oh, this ain't the right way, blah, blah, blah. But again, because their mindset, they're just thinking about them. They're not thinking about the client. Guys, I cannot tell you how many jobs I've gotten because people said, Courtney, we don't want to go through the sanding process. It's not always about the money. Sometimes it's about the convenience. Courtney, we don't want to leave our house for a week. Courtney, they just don't want to go through it, right? Now, guess what? I see a lot of sanding guys now starting to push the screen and recoats more. Why? Because again, guys, it's not always about us. It's not always about us. And when you do that, sometimes again, it's a win-win because you can become more profitable in your business by offering something, by showcasing something, okay, that can help the other person. So when you compromise, so always remember in business, it's a relationship. Business is a relationship, and it's not always about us. It's not always about us, man. So this is why I run my business a certain way. This is why I like being an owner operator because I understand my business model. I had one of my guys tell one of my colleagues, he has a multi-truck operation, and he made a good point. He said, Courtney, I've done the wood floor. Cause he actually sent some guys out. He said, I've tried to get into the stone. And he said, Courtney, those type of services are not employee driven. They're not just going to do it. He made a good point. He said, because a client can be willing to accept a bad $200 or $300 carpet cleaning job, but they're not going to accept a bad $2,000 or $3,000 stone or wood floor job. So this is why, you don't see multi-truck operations with this type of business model. If you do, it's very slim to none, right? So that's why I understand what I do. This is why I promote myself. This is why I put myself out there. Just like when I started doing YouTube videos years ago. Again, got people who only think about themselves. Oh, I wouldn't do the YouTube video. I wouldn't do videos. I don't do the videos just for me. I do the videos for my clients. I do it for my potential clients. So when I go do my in-home consultation, they already feel comfortable. Hey, Courtney, nice to meet you. Oh my God, it's like meeting a celebrity. They're already sold. I don't have to do what a lot of you guys do. Gotta force myself. Gotta what's the word I'm trying to say? Gotta basically try to make people, force people to use your services. I don't do that. I don't have to do that because the front end has already done it for me. The things that I have set in place for my potential clients, not me, okay? Because I'm not buying my services. So when they see the videos, when they see the video testimonials, okay, they're already sold. The only reason why most people would not use me is the price point. That's it, the price point. And again, that's not my problem, all right? Because a lot of things that cost a certain price that everybody can't afford or everybody don't see the value in, all right? So I just want to say, guys, is that, in your business, understand, man, business is a relationship and it's not always about us. All right. So this is why we should do certain things. This is why we should understand our limitations. Okay. This is why we shouldn't do certain things. All right. This is why I don't just send anybody in people's homes. This is why I don't, try to do everything and be everything. Okay. And offer everything. This is why I have my vans fully wrapped. This is why I have a place of business. And I will say the reason why I have a place of business for my wife, like she wanted, and it was a great decision, right? But also too, people say, man, you got an office. People, I looked you up, Courtney. I saw your place. I saw your business. It makes you look more legitimate. Okay, and I'm not saying you have to do these things, but to certain clients, man, they look for these things. Okay, they recognize these things. And they appreciate these things, all right? Like I said, I went and did 3 consultations yesterday, all right, and a job. 2 of those consultations, I just had to go do the consultation. The job was already sold. They told me, okay? They told me because of the things that I do for them, not just for me, all right? I'm not watching my YouTube video. Guys, when I put up a YouTube video, do you think I go back and watch that video? No, I don't. Okay, it's not for me. I did the job. I know how to do. What's funny is I thought about that. Denzel Washington said it. He said he do not go back and watch his movies. I said, huh? Because I did the movie. I know what happened. You know what I'm saying? And so I thought about that with me. I said, you know what? Once I edit that video and I put it together and I throw it on YouTube, I do not watch the video. I don't have to. Okay. So, but because it's not for me. It's for my potential clients, or it's for, my students that, I have a lot of my students. My guy, Al, I got a ride along coming out from the Carolinas, a guy named Ray. But like my buddy Al, he's one of my newer students out of the DMV area. He said, man, Courtney, I watched you for months. I watched you. I studied you, watched your YouTube videos. I watched you so much because I wanted to make sure that I was going into the right direction. I wasn't going to waste my money, and that's what he did, guys. So again, when you do these things, man, it's just not about you. It's about other people and making other people comfortable, right? And giving them more reason why they should choose you. So anyway, see you in the next one.